Hey, good day. Super excited. You're welcome to another live session. Today, we're talking about the cryptocurrency. How are you doing wherever you're joining from? Super excited. Today, we're going to be discussing more about the cryptocurrency, the happenings, and how we can leverage on what is happening around the globe. I'm really excited. If you can hear me, come on, type in I can hear you, I can hear you, I can hear you. It's going to be a great session today that I can guarantee you. What's up, everyone? What's up, what's up? What's up? Woo! Come on, let's go. Let's go. Where are you joining from today? Good afternoon, good morning. Let's go. Where are you joining from? Tell me. Thank you so much, Adewa Abraham Olawale. Pastor, how you doing, sir? Good to have you on today. So today we're talking about cryptocurrency, and I'm really pumped up about what is happening in the market currently. But guys, like I told you earlier, amen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pastor. Like I told you earlier about what is happening in the cryptocurrency space, we are expecting a lot in the market. See, guys, one of the major things that you need to be aware of is that there is a crash that is coming. Hey, Godwin, thank you so much. Good to be here. Good to have you, my brother. Joining from Lagos, Nigeria. Good to have you on. How's work going today? Thank you for joining. So, guys, what's happening? The cryptocurrency market is having some amazing increase in the market cap right now. Some kind of amazing movement. Like, geez. But is this what we've been expecting? Is this what we've been expecting? Is this what we've been expecting? Is this the right time to go all in? Is this the right time? We're going to be talking about that today, and I'm really, really pumped up about it. So one more time, my name is Maya Wowolabi, and you're welcome to Cryptocurrency Update with Maya Wowolabi. This we do every Thursday. We talk about the cryptocurrency market, what is happening, what we should be expecting. And guys, I've been talking about the possibility of a more deeper crash in this market, not because we are negative, but we understand pattern. Come on, guys. If you're excited, type in pattern on the comment box right now. Type in pattern. Come on, guys. Let's put that in right now. Type in pattern. So a lot has been happening, and I can tell you for free that we are not yet ready for the bull run that we are expecting. But right now, the table is shaking, and I can tell you for free that this is not the main move. It's just impulse. Okay, it's just impulse. It's just impulse. And when it is impulse, you have to be very, very careful, because when it is not the main move, you fantastic. Thank you so much. Fantastic. Rita said patterns don't lie. That is it. That is it. Okay. So currently we have the market has gained some amazing momentum, over 100, 1, 2, 3, over 100 billion for the past 24 hours, which is really, really impressive. Okay, and the market has gone from less than 800 billion, 800 million now 800 billion. Now we are back to 1 trillion. Okay, back to 1 trillion. And it's amazing. For the past 24 hours, Ethereum has done over 10% increase. Amazing. And for the past 7 days, it has done 9% increase, which is not bad. Okay. Past 7 days, Bitcoin has done 1.32% increase. And for the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has done 7.85% increase, which is very good. BNB is performing well with a 24 hours increase of 4% and 7 days increase of 3%. Okay, I think the most performing asset right now for the past 24 hours, let's check that. That is Lido DAO. Okay, Lido DAO is not part of my checklist. Okay, synthetic SNX, not a bad return at all. 24 hours. Ethereum Classic, 23%. Fantastic. Fantastic. I spoke about Ethereum Classic when it was $7. A lot of the people in the community are still holding Ethereum Classic below $7, which is already performing over 500%, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Bitcoin Cash, not bad, 20% return in growth. Tron, which is Thor Chain, which is Run, which is not bad, too, 17% in 24 hours. Nail, 13%. Okay. Okay. ApeCoin, 12%. Not bad at all. Polkadot has 11%, 24 hours, which is good. Not bad at all. So this is because of some new inflows came in, okay, and it's not doing bad at all. Let's get back to the top list. Okay, so for me, a lot is happening right now. We have IMF. IMF gives crypto major boosts. And what did they say? They said that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have received a huge boost. Okay. They passed the particular report out, and I think that really pushed the market up, which is not bad. Titanium blockchain CEO faces 20 years in prison, which is good for him. You don't see, people are gullible. People just Google, people just put a lot of information together. People just launch models and, they put in marketing on it, and a lot of new guys just go into the market and they put in their money, which is why I always tell you that you must do your research, not just only on the project, you also want to do research on the team. Have these people done a successful project before? Don't put your hard-earned money on a project that has never worked before, or the people behind it have not run a successful project before. For example, the reason why I put some of my money into Polkadot is because the CEO was one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Okay, so it makes sense for me. Ethereum is successful, so for him to go launch Polkadot, who is also running which is the second layer to Ethereum, is making sense. I can put my money behind Polkadot. Why? Because the founder of Polkadot was a co-founder of Ethereum before. So you won't be able to answer some certain questions before you put in your hard-earned money into a project. And I've always told you, don't buy on impulse. A lot of us, when somebody mentions a project, you just go online, you find where to buy, and you buy. Stop buying on impulse. And this is not even the right time to buy new projects, because the market is going to really crash. Okay, like I told you, for the past 3 months, I've been educating you guys on that. When will it happen? It will happen soon. It could be towards the end of this year. It could be next year, because when the real estate industry crashes, when the stock market crashes, the cryptocurrency market will also face its own, but there will be a speed recovery. So right now, the only option for us, if you have been following me, is that I tell you to do what is called dollar cost average on your major project. Dollar cost average. Dollar cost average means that every month I'm going to be putting $10 in Bitcoin. I'm going to be putting $100 in Bitcoin till the more it goes down. I have a target to keep putting in, and that is what is called dollar cost average. Putting in money, the more it goes down. And I've emphasized we have two major projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. That is the two major projects to projects. When you move into projects, you move into blockchain projects, ecosystems that have other projects running on them. That is your second classification. Okay, that's your second classification. Then the third classification are new gens project, new project, and the last one is the meme coin. For example, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu is a meme coin. Now, can they succeed? They have probability to succeed, but you don't put in, your whole portfolio in meme coin, and that is what a lot of people do. They like to put in money in meme coin. Now, I've given you the concept. Look for the first 10 or top 10 meme coin, buy them, and they must just occupy 10% of your portfolio. Only 10% of your portfolio. Come on, guys, if you got that, type in 10% right now. Type in 10%, type in 10%. This is the only way that when there is a crash, you are not affected. This is the only way, so that when there is a crash, you are not affected. But when the crash comes and your whole portfolio is full of meme coins, shit coins, and some other projects that will not survive, then I can tell you your project portfolio is gone. Like gone, gone. So you have your portfolio classified like that. You want to have the father and the mother, which is the king and the queen of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin and Ethereum. You want to have minimum 30 to 40% of your portfolio must have that. Okay, 20% to 30% are ecosystem projects, and another 30% are projects, new gen projects, and the last but not the least is your meme coin. 10%. Please, no matter how you want it, be very, very, very. Yes, be very, very deliberate. So don't let it hit you like, oh, I was not told. I told you free of charge. Okay? Let me see what you guys are typing again. What do we have here? Joseph Ene Ojo, thank you. Good to have you. Chinedu, thank you. Good to have you. Journal Anglicon, Journal, good to have you. So Journal is saying, will will Shiba Inu deliver 10 cents soon? That's a very smart question, but let me be sincere with you. No one can assume that. No one can really predict that, but it's possible. Now, the reason is that sheep community, the sheep army has started building some structures around the sheep project. So that means that it has the possibility. Okay, we have Born. Born is one of the projects that is on sheep. We have sheep swap, okay, for token swap. So there are projects that are coming up already under the SHIB structure, which is giving a head up and a green light for us to see that Shiba Inu can really deliver 10 cents. But for me, like I do tell you, if you cannot hold for 10 years, don't hold for 10 minutes. Write that down. I learned that from Warren Buffett. If you cannot hold for 10 years, don't hold for 10 minutes. So a lot of my Shiba Inu that I bought Shiba Inu really, really cheap. As a matter of fact, there was a particular time I gave everyone in the community, in the free community, to buy Shiba Inu, and it gave us over 1,000%. So if you're not on the Facebook group, you're not on the Telegram group, you're missing out. So make sure you click on the Discord, on the Telegram group, be there, be on the Facebook group, be there, because I give out a lot of projects like you can connect with. I even give out some airdrop projects there too. I also give out new projects that are yet to come into limelight. I give it out that people can just claim their free tokens and hold it for 3-5 years. The same way BNB gave it out. BNB gave out some tokens for free, and some people claimed it, but nobody knew that BNB was going to become what it becomes today. So a lot of projects that I give in the group, make sure you claim them and just put them in your wallet, and you'll be so surprised when they become $1, you're good to go. So Shiba Inu, back to Shiba Inu has the capacity to deliver that because of the structures they are bringing in. Okay, but that does not make me to make Shiba Inu to have more than 25% of my portfolio. That's foolishness. That's foolishness. Okay? It's foolishness because it is called meme coin. Meme coin remains meme coin and don't have more than 10% of it. I hope that helps. Okay? Make sure you click on the like button and also on the subscriber button. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Facebook, make sure you click on the like and share button. Let's do that for the next 30 seconds. Click on the share button. Let's help other people see this. I'm after real projects. That's why you won't see a lot of people follow me. But these people that used to give all those free projects, you see them, all those meme coin. Please be careful. I'm not mentioning them, but some of you know them. So put your money in real projects that can survive, okay, and that has utility, use cases. Okay? Thank you so much. So let's share. Click on the share button. Click on the share button. Click on the share button. Let's do that right now. Good. So, Mr. Man, our Bitcoin is going up. As the market started recouping from the losses, let's check that up. Then I take your questions, okay? I'll take your questions, any assets you want me to analyze. So let's go to the king. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going up. Yes. And the reason why it's going up is because of this rejection on this flip zone. Okay? It's rejecting there. But this is not the kind of rejection we are expecting. Okay? This is not an healthy retreat, unhealthy move. This is an healthy move. So this is just a reaction to the market. And you want to be very careful when you're trading this kind of positions. Okay? Except you are intraday trader that trades, what's it called? That trades futures. You would have taken a trade on this order block. Okay? And your stop loss would have been here. Then you would have done like 8 to 10% return on investment, which is not bad. Then put your stop loss below this low. So if this goes up further, I'm seeing a rejection back to this 29,000. But there's what is called FOMC. FOMC is today. And FOMC means Federal Open Market Committee. They're going to be meeting today. For a lot of people who don't know what it is. And like I shared with you the last time, this was after FOMC. The market dropped. Okay? So the market has been clustering again. Okay, this was another FOMC. So if you go and check FOMC calendars, you realize that all of these announcements came in. Okay, all of these announcements came in, and when the announcement came in that the rate, the interest rate increased, it affected the market, and that was what made this drop to happen. Okay, now this was last month's effect. Okay, so July now, there's another FOMC that will be coming up today, and there will be a shift in the market. Two things will happen if the FOMC rates repeats itself, or if it repeats the same value, the market will range for the next 20 days. If it drops, that means that Bitcoin will increase in value. But if the rate increases, then I guarantee you that Bitcoin will find its way to below 9,000. We'll drop more. Okay? We'll drop more. So don't forget, I'm just giving my view. I can be wrong. This is just my view. Okay? With my experience. At least I've been here for a good time. So I can help you. I can give one or two recommendations. But my recommendations are crazy. Okay? Are crazy. So you don't ignore it. But I'm not perfect. But my recommendations are crazy. So Samuel says, Coach, good afternoon. Good afternoon, my brother. How is it going at your end? So we're waiting for FOMC right now. And anything that happens during the FOMC will determine so many things. So many things. So let's wait. Let's wait for that to happen. Let's wait for that to happen. Let's wait for the announcement. Let's wait for the announcement. And you see, the rate is really increasing. As a matter of fact, we've not had that rate for the past 40 years. The increase in the rate. We've not had it like this for the past 40 years. So that means that if it increases more, which has more chances to increase more, it's not a good one. And the latest trending news now is the one for Coinbase. Coinbase is facing a lot, and if Coinbase ends up having the so-called challenge that is going through, that means they have issues with their money, the cryptocurrency market. It will affect. A lot of people will withdraw their money. Coinbase, let me get her name. She sold her shares. I want to get the information. Yes, it showed 1.2. I mean the recent. She sold 1.2 million, you know, with $75 million worth of our shares. That was announced yesterday. So we just have to be very, very intentional right now about the cryptocurrency space. Okay? All my new fresh funds that I want to move into cryptocurrency, they are currently staked. I've staked them on Binance. So I'm waiting for the right time to buy. You guys know that I'm in as much that I love to invest. I'm always somebody that followed it to details. I'd rather not buy now and wait for the right time. I like to wait for that timing. Okay? I like to wait. I like to see timing. I like to buy the right time. So personally, I've been like, yes, I got it for you guys. I've been just loading up my, you know, portfolio. Panic for crypto stocks holders as ARK investment offloads over 1.4 million Coinbase shares. That happened yesterday, and I didn't like that. And if this continues, I'm telling you, Coinbase will face a lot. Her name is Cathy Woods. Okay, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much. And SEC is still investigating them. So almost, I don't know. It's just like side back and front. They're just hitting them back and forth center. So we need to be very, very careful right now. We need to be very, very careful right now. So tell me, what asset do you guys want me to check out for you guys? And Chinedu says, please, there's is there any new launch crypto we're expecting like the one you gave, CoinSwap? Not yet. Just be in the group. If you are there, when my research team comes up with anyone, I'll drop it. It's free. Just register, claim your free token, and wait. Wait 2 years, 6 months, 1 year, 5 years. Wait. And when it goes viral, you go and check your wallet, convert to your money, and say thank you to me. Say thank you. Good day, sir. Happy meeting you here once more. Hey, thank you so much. Asong from Cameroon. How is Cameroon today? So what project are you looking at, and what project do you want me to check with you? What project do you guys want me to check with you? Tell me, tell me, tell me. The last session we did, if you missed that last session, I won't tell you the project we analyzed together. So if you missed the last session, go and check. That'll be your own assignment. That project, the last bull run, that project delivered. Somebody bought $10 and it delivered over $200. That should be 2,000%, if I'm right. Is that 2,000 or 200? No, well, that project delivered well. The person made over 200 and something dollars from $10. That's crazy, guys. That's over 2,000%, if I'm right. Yes, over 2,000%. So go and check for that project and wait for it. I gave recommendation when to buy it. That's how to grow, guys. And I mentioned why I was looking at the project. Why? What made me to look at the project? Why I why I why I said that the project is good. I said it in that project. And a lot of people mentioned other projects that I turned down. And I didn't turn them down because they are not good. I just turned them down because they didn't meet my own checklist. Okay? So if it meets your checklist, definitely you can go with it, put in your money, but make sure you know the classification. Is it a blockchain like ecosystem? Is it a new project? Is it a meme coin? Or is it the king or queen of the market? That is, you need to make sure you answer that. Shih Tzu. What's Shih Tzu about? Hey, Mr. Emmanuel Akbesi. How is it going? Hope you are holding strong. Hope you are holding strong. We are waiting for the market to do the needful. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. You're welcome. GBP, sir, my bail is short. Okay, so as from today's cryptocurrency, yesterday was Forex. We're starting the stock section soon. Today's cryptocurrency session. Is there any project called Shih Tzu? Eh? Justice. I've not heard that project before. Let's go it. If there's a project called Shih Tzu. Let me see. There's a dog called Shih Tzu. Imagine. Coin. I don't get. All these dog, all these dog, all these dog names of projects, eh? I don't get to. Let's check the website. This is a pure meme coin. Make sure you don't have more than 10% of it. Oh. This is a pure meme coin. Wow, it's been rising, oh. But that's what is called tempting. Oh, geez. Look at the drop. It was released last year, 17th of June. Wow, and where it is right now. What are they trying to do with it? You know me, I work hard for my money, and I'm sure you too are you did work hard for your money. So these are the things you need to be sure of. Hmm? Shisu project is named based is a meme based coin, okay, determined to pursue NFT artwork, focus based on animal lovers art. Okay, so what they are trying to do here is that it's a meme coin, number one, so you know the category. Number two, they are trying to use the coin to push out NFT artwork. that is focused on animal lovers and animal advocates. So, does that meet your person? Let's see the tokenomics. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 trillion. 50% of it was sent to Vitalik bottling wallets to bond the available supply and keep our price stable. 50% is locked to Uniswap and our partners exchange. Hmm. Hmm. Not a bad one, not a bad tokenomics for meme coin. So what's their first quarter? 1,000 orders, website launch. They have the website launch. They've launched since 2001. So this should be like the fourth quarter. What did they promise to do at the fourth quarter? 50,000 orders. How many how many orders do we have? How many orders do we have right now? Integration with Matic Polygon to improve speed. Okay? You need to be sure if they have done all of that. So these are the things I will check before I would put my money. I don't think they've done Matic. If they have done Matic, they would have added Matic here, Polygon here. Do they have any goal for Twitter followers? How many? They want to have 4,000 Telegram members. How many do they have? These are the things that will make you know if they are progressive. They have an ecosystem too. The fact that they have a lot of locked is good. So if you're an NFT lover, you will like it. You will like this. You can see they are working on their she mark. Okay. Let's check their charts, economics. We've done that. Excuse me. Okay. In 1 year, in over 1 year, 4,000. That's not a good marketing. They don't have a good marketing team because this is their second quarter target. This is their second quarter target. They have 7,000 followers. Not bad, but they would have done more. So it's meme coin, so you don't have to go just few checks because it's just it's just part of your portfolio that we have it. Let me check their chart. If their chart is clean, we will see their their order flows. My eye has been on Dogecoin, but Dogecoin has not dropped to my entry, so I'm waiting. If it comes to my entry, I still have 8% of my portfolio for meme coins, so I can put some money in. So this is not a good data. This is not a good data for technicals, okay? For technicals, this is not a good data. This is a sell order block here that has a break of structure. So this guy can bounce in here and come back. But if he clears this, then I'll come back for it. If he clears that high, you can see the fall. You can see the, look at 1 week. Look at 1 week, 1 week sell-off. Look at 1 week. Look at the candles are very small. So if you come to the books, you see that you have, they need to give us more. They need to give me more reason to buy. These are part of my check. That there's no more reason. There's the majors, the news are not, the stocks are not really heavy for us to buy. It's not heavy. So Rita is saying, where is the entry for Dogecoin? My entry for Dogecoin is Dogecoin. Where are you? This is Dogecoin. This is my entry for Dogecoin. $0.005. It still has a long way to and I'm putting because Elon's money is there. That's why I'm putting my money. I don't believe in the projects, but it is meme coin. I want to have 10% of meme coin, and I'm putting my money in because because Elon is putting his money. That's the only reason. But this is the only place I can buy Dogecoin. 0.05. That's below one. Since last year, I've told you guys I was not buying. Even when it was pumping fake pump, I told you guys that I can't buy until it comes lower here. It has to come. That's the only place to buy. If it's not there, I can't buy. 0.005. I've answered your question, Rita. That's the only place to buy. Question, tell me. Any other project you're looking at? Okay, so in the absence of none, I think we are good today, okay? I'll see you guys again next week. When we'll talk about cryptocurrency. Okay, guys. For the market to go down more. Okay, Clement says, can you talk about XRP? XRP is still facing the lawsuits. If XRP wins, then it's going to be a different. There's going to be a different. That will change the whole movement. That's why this guy is struggling right now. It's happening. They are not attracting fresh investors. Some of the existing investors, some of them have taken their is around the place to buy, but I can't buy right now because I need technically it's around the place to buy. So there are other places I can put my money than putting my court case. They need to win that court case. If not, they won't get that traction. That expected traction. Wow. This is a good technical analysis. This is a very good technical analysis stuff. This is a good technical analysis stuff. Okay? Except I give it out for people to pay, to trade. This is a good technical analysis, but I can't add it to my long-term portfolio. I can trade it for 10% growth of 25% growth. I hope that helps. But technically, it's good. So that's my view on XRP. What about the lawsuit against XRP? Okay, so as a security token. So that's where the issue is. That's where the issue is. So you can buy it and trade it, but not a long-term portfolio. Can you do a video on how to transfer coin to hardware storage? Okay, maybe I'll work on that later. Rita, thank you so much for your willingness to help mankind building a better financial goal. You're welcome, my brother. Please, sir, can Luna bounce back again? Those guys are dubious. So that's why I didn't recommend it to my community. They are dubious. It's one of the things about cryptocurrency is decentralization. That's one of the beauty. Openness. There are certain questions the CEO of Luna is not asking. And even, what's his name? The founder of Binance, as CZ, has complained. He made a post about it when they had that issue. There are certain questions that should be open. You know, there are certain things that should be transparent. You know, so even when they came up with Luna C, I couldn't put my money. I couldn't put my money. Okay. When a project begins to attract investors, a lot of people put their money into stable coins. A lot of these project owners, they put the money into stable coins and into Bitcoin for stability. And that is like their savings. But when the issue was about to happen, there were tons of money that were meant to be as a saving, like a safe haven for the whole entire system. But they could not give us where the money went to. So for me, if I want to put $500 there, $1,000 there or more, they need to answer those things. So it's not worth my money. But a lot of people put money in on Luna C, and some people made money. But that will be based on speculations. I don't want to put my money on speculations. I want to put my money. Guys, I work hard, guys. I work hard. I grind hard. I put my money in what can sustain. I'm not looking for quick money. If I'm looking for money to eat, I will work. I will be paid salary. Then I will use that money to eat. But if I'm looking for money that will pay me and take care of my family and take care of my future bills, then it has to be a good project. And that's the secret of Warren Buffett. When people were selling Coca-Cola shares, he strongly believed in Coca-Cola and he was buying it. And when others came in, they were late. You know how many shares of Coke he bought in 1988, 1986? He bought so much. And that pays him a lot of money every day. Not every month, though. Every day. So let's close the book on Luna. Okay, Rita said thank you. Rita, I'm missing you people in the community. We can't wait to have you back now. Please come back. We are waiting. So is it advisable? I guess so. Is the advice that anyone who had XRP previously for long term should sell? That you were trying to drag word out of my mouth. Okay, so my take on XRP is that XRP should overcome the lawsuit case. Okay, that's my belief. So if you already have it, please hold on to it. Hold on to it. Don't sell it. I strongly feel they will survive. And if they survive, they will like G's. They will blow up. They will blow up. So you don't want to miss out in that blow up. Just hold it. Like I do tell you guys, if you can't hold it for 10 minutes, don't hold. If you cannot hold it for 10 years, don't hold it for 5 minutes. So every project, every sustainable or every good project, we always go through their issues. So this is one of its kind for XRP. And if they can overcome it, which they have over 60% chance of winning, they will bounce up and they will scale up. They will scale up. So don't sell off. I don't recommend you sell off. Okay, just hold it, put it in your wallet, get a hardened token. Okay, get a hardened token and put it in. Okay, so to know more, I have the cryptocurrency code book. You can talk to the admin. Okay, and the 21 cryptocurrency checklist. They are my 2 books for cryptocurrency. I shared my experiences in them. How to classify your portfolio, how to know your portfolio, everything is inside this book. Okay, so go reach out to the admin. Reach out to the admin, she will attend to you so you can get it. Very cheap. The goal is not to profit from it, the goal is for you to have it. Everybody should have it. Everybody should have it. So please don't sell off. It's just about the use case, and I think the use case is good. Okay? I hope you guys had a great time with us today. As usual, I'm really excited that I could come up here again and be a blessing to you. Okay? The best you can do for me and my team is to share. The goal is to help 1 billion people achieve financial freedom, okay, through quality financial education. 1 billion, and you're one of them. So help us to also reach out to more people. And all you would need to do for this free training that we come to do often, click on the share button on LinkedIn, click on the share button on YouTube, click on the share button on YouTube. Help other people have access to it. That's why we are here. Okay? Thank you so much for coming again. I will see you guys on Saturday when we come on during the financial freedom with my Wawolabi session. Okay? I look forward to your success. My name remains my Wawolabi. Have a pleasant day. Peace out, guys. Make sure you invest into knowledge. That's the only way you can have the best return on investment. Talk to you guys soon.